In English, when we want to express that something belongs to someone, we use possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Let's look at some examples of possessive adjectives first. My beer is big. Your beer is small. His wine is red. Her wine is white. Our dog is fat. Their dog is thin. It doesn't matter if the noun is singular or plural. The adjective doesn't change. So we could say, my beer is big, or my beers are big. Your beer is small, or your beers are small. And so on. What's important to remember is that possessive adjectives come before nouns. So, what's the difference between a possessive adjective and a possessive pronoun? Well, when we know what the noun is, we can combine the possessive adjective and the noun to create a possessive pronoun. For example, if we say my beers are big, we could say mine are big. Your beers are small, yours are small. What's important to remember is possessive pronouns do not come before nouns. So let's take a look at some sentences to compare possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. In the first sentence, we can see that the possessive comes before a noun, so it has to be the possessive adjective. This is my beer. In the second sentence, we can see that the possessive does not come before a noun, so it has to be the possessive pronoun. This beer is mine. That isn't hers, because we don't have a noun. That isn't her wine, because the possessive comes before a noun. Is that our car? Possessive before a noun. Is that ours? No noun. We hope this video helped you understand the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. If you want some more practice, we've put some links in the description for exercises. Thanks for watching.